Certainly, one example of an interactive assembly model that is currently in use is a chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users. It can interact with individuals by providing responses based on predefined patterns or using artificial intelligence algorithms. To create a chatbot that interacts with different personalities, you would begin by defining the characteristics and behaviors of each personality. For instance, one personality may be more friendly and informal, while the other may be more professional and formal. Then you would develop a set of responses and dialogue based on these defined personalities. The chatbot can be programmed to identify the user's preferred personality and adapt its responses accordingly. This can be done by analyzing the user's input and selecting the most suitable response from the predefined set of options for each personality.